In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on Weebly. This is a straightforward process, ideal for anyone looking to manage their team efficiently within their Weebly powered site. Whether you're running a small business or a larger organization, adding team members can help you delegate tasks, update content, and streamline workflow. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to access Weebly through Square. You might be wondering why you need to go through Square. Well, that's because Weebly and Square are integrated, allowing a seamless management experience of your website and business tools in one place. To get started, you should visit the free appointment scheduling software and booking app page by Square. This is your gateway to logging into the Square ecosystem. Once you're on the Square page, you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on Sign In takes you to the login screen where you need to input your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one here, but assuming you do, proceed with entering your email and password. It's always a good idea to have your login details at hand or securely stored in a password manager for easy access. Now, after logging in, you'll be taken to the Square dashboard. The Square dashboard is where you'll find various tools and features you can use to manage your business. On this dashboard, there's an option labeled Staff that you need to click on. The staff section is crucial as it manages your team's information and roles within your organization. Next, under the staff section, you will find team members. Click on team members to see a list of individuals currently associated with your Weebly account. This page provides an overview of your team and is where you can make changes or updates to team member information. Now, to add a new person, locate the Add Team Member button. Clicking this will open a form where you'll input the details of the new team member you want to add to your Weebly site. This includes necessary information such as name, email, and the role they will have on your site. Ensure you fill in the correct information, as this ensures smooth communication and delegation of responsibilities. As you go through these steps, remember to verify each detail you enter. Verifying information is key to preventing any future hiccups or miscommunications. Once completed, hit the Save or Add button to finalize the addition of the new team member. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a new person to your Weebly site via the Square dashboard. This process not only helps in organizing roles, but also ensures you have the right people with the right access to help your website and business run smoothly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our instructional videos.